Do you know how to turn off active status on Instagram? If not, then here is the fix. If you want to turn off, you can turn this off. So first of all, we will go to Instagram. Let's find Instagram. Tap on it. Click on profile picture. Tap here, right below. And then click on 3 lines. Tap here. Now go below. Find the options. Let me go through the options here and let's find message and stories. Here messages and stories replies. You have to tap on it. Now click on show activity status. Show activity status. Tap here. Now if you want to turn off, you can turn this off. The message is written here for your better understanding. Let me read here. Allow accounts you follow and anyone you message to see when you were last active are currently active on Instagram apps. When this is turned off, you won't be able to see the activity status of other accounts. If you want to turn this off, you can turn this off. Either you can turn it on, and here is the fix. So I hope you got the solution, and if you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.